guys, Greg here, Bone Tactical. Today we're going to be discussing the real Grayman Theory EDC and Grayman Operations EDC, specifically when traveling abroad or as an American in foreign countries. What we are basing this around really is the new shirt specifically designed for Grayman Operations, the Grayman Ops shirt from Bone Tactical. Life of the party looking type shirt, allowing you to fit that tourist look, but still being a super heavy duty, super high quality, great durable shirt that's gonna work harder than you do. The other item that we're basing this around, or well, really all the items on the table, but these loose shoes are, and a comfortable pair of shoes goes a long way. I'm gonna explain why all this stuff is so important, and we'll get right into it. So the next item on our loadout here for Grayman Operations is going to be an off-body carry method. And why is off-body carry so important? You guys probably, I'll throw a little clip in here of what's inside the bag, but you guys know what off-body carry means. So that's so important because the real Grayman theory, not what people think it is, but I need to have the opportunity to toss anything I might have that could get me in trouble. And you don't want to be looking super prepared. You don't want to have weapons on you or easily recognizable for having weapons. So a bag like that allows me, in worst case scenario, to get rid of it real quick if I'm looking at getting looked at as a suspect or being looked at for being a dangerous person. Elite Survival Systems. Grayman Operations EDC. We talked about having to look a certain way, right? Knowing your area of operation, and then getting into what am I right now? Okay, I'm a tourist. I don't need to present myself as a danger to anyone around me or anything like that. Definitely want to be prepared, but I don't want to cross the line of being a hard target to where I'm going to cause problems for myself. So in that case, we definitely don't want to have anything easily visible that can be construed as a weapon. That's why the Tradecraft Kank is so concealable and also something affordable that you can get rid of in a hurry if you need to. The bone occlusion bracelet is a bracelet that allows me to have a force multiplier, yet nobody around me is going to know what it is. And it's something that I can always have there, little peace of mind, because I don't want to profile myself as being someone that could be a threat. Continuing with the Grayman Operations EDC, a pair of mirrored glasses not only can help you look like the tourist look that you want to look, non-threatening, but I can use that mirror glasses to be looking around, being extra situationally aware without doing like this, because just being super situationally aware makes you possibly look different than everybody else, because most tourists are not situationally aware. A pair of mirrored glasses can allow you to be aware of everything that's going on without looking so aware. Obviously, minimalist is the way to go. You want to have the minimum amount of things possible that you need. So our minimalist wallet really helps out carry a bunch of cards that you may need and keep it in a small package. The Bonebreaker Micro is a keychain self-defense tool that is a huge force multiplier and doesn't right away look like a weapon. So get a good smartphone. It allows you to use the internet to look up anything you want to look up. Definitely super handy in being a Grayman, especially if any kind of solo operations. You can use all kinds of messaging devices that are end-to-end encrypted. WhatsApp's not that anymore, but there's more advanced messaging stuff you can use. You can download your maps, always download your maps before you go somewhere so you can know where you're going to be going and not have to rely on internet. There's still a lot of ways you can use these phones to your favor, and you can always toss it if you're worried about somebody watching what you're doing. A heavy duty belt like this from Core Essentials, use code BONETACTICAL10 or Bone Tactical for 10% off their website, but Core Essentials is a great way to have a belt that really looks, specifically like this one, looks low key, like a normal belt. But if I do have to go one level up and put heavy stuff like a firearm on my belt, I can do that because I have a gun belt, but it fits the rules of Grayman theory that I'm going for. Bone out.